Hello, my name is Jordan Lee, and I'm from Richmond, Virginia, though I currently live in Jakarta, Indonesia, where I work as an advisor to the Indonesian government through the Tony Blair Institute for Global Change. Last month, I had the privilege of going to Berlin, Germany for a week to participate in the 2022 Youth 7, or Y7 Summit, as the head delegate for the US delegation. For context, the Y7 is one of the engagement groups with which G7 leaders interact to gain insight into the policy priorities among their societies. Around the start of 2022, 4 Y7 delegates were chosen from all G7 countries as well as the EU, and this year's partner countries in Indonesia, Senegal, South Africa, and Ukraine. The delegates then spent several months discussing and negotiating policy proposals across different areas until finally meeting in Berlin for 1 week in May to finalize, present, and begin advocacy for our policies. And as I reflect on my experience with the Y7, the most impactful insight I take from my experience there is the importance of bringing a diverse set of opinions to the negotiating table, and more importantly, making sure that all of those diverse opinions can and are meaningfully contributing to the discussion. This came through in two ways at the Y7. First, there was the diversity in terms of our professional backgrounds. I was surprised at how we as delegates were able to use our unique backgrounds, whether they were corporate, political, in activism, or in academia, to complement one another. But secondly, and perhaps more importantly, there was a difference in how our national circumstances impacted the way we approach policy development. And this was most clear in how delegates from partner countries in Indonesia, Senegal, South Africa, and Ukraine enriched our discussions. The inclusion of these partner countries, all of which have very different development levels compared to G7 members, significantly enriched our policy discussions by bringing up points of inclusivity and global relevance that we had not discussed previously. This experience reflects the importance of building a globally representative group whenever you're discussing major global challenges, such as those that are discussed at the Y7.